Building with Papa. All right, this customer has seamless gutters. Well, every corner has a seam, but that's it. They're all full lengths. They have some rotted fascia behind this corner, and I'm going to show you how to take them down and then how to repair them. But each one of these corners is leaking. So first I drill out the existing rivets. Drill them out and it separates. It's not too bad. You're going to have to work with it because they have a lot of stuff inside. You may have to take some of that off in order to get the gutter down. And once you do get it down, you're going to have to clean all of that off. So the new sealer or adhesive that you're going to use, I like to use a gutter sealant. It works really good. It's gray and it seals it up very well. Anyway, I pull the pins or these longer nails. They're aluminum. It's not too difficult, but you may bend some. If you do, you need to buy some new ones and install some new ones. But you're going to want to go right back in the same existing holes because that's how the gutter is set. You're not changing the pitch. This is a difficult one because the downspouts are on the other side of the garage there and on the other side of the house. There's no downspouts in the front here, and they have a lot of gutter and a lot of water comes off this roof. So I have the two sides down, and now we'll have to take the one across the back so that I can get to the fascia and repair the fascia. All right, I removed them and now I put them back up. I put new rivets in where the old ones were. Make sure you have the correct size. And then I used the sealant. This picture right now is the next day after we had a downpour. I wasn't able to get pictures. I was working in the rain trying to get this back up, and I wasn't able to take any other pictures. But now it's up and it's sealed, but the rain came in and there's over an inch of water in this gutter. It's set wrong. It should have had two more downspouts, one at each of these corners, but I guess for looks, they elected not to do it. All right, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.